Welcome everyone as we discuss how to choose the best agile methodology for tooth systems. I know this is a growing concern for everyone, so let's go ahead and dive right in. At Tooth Systems, there's a problem in the IT department. The communication where they track what's going on in the department is woefully inadequate. We have managers tracking projects by phone and email with the junior developers. We have upper management coming along and saying, what's going on here? What are these junior developers actually working on? What are they bringing to the company? I don't have any way of knowing what's going on, so what am I really paying you folks for? Which of course leads to morale issues and worry. And of course the managers have a lot of stress. So of course they need a solution to this particular issue. At Tooth Systems, there's no real system in place to communicate between the IT department and the rest of the company what work is actually being done. The IT manager tends to track things through emails and phone calls with the developers, and the CEO and other upper management come along and say, what are you guys up to? What value is actually being brought forth from this IT department? What are we paying you guys for? Like, really, what are we paying you for? We have no way of knowing because there's no record of this anywhere. Let's make something visible here so we all know what's going on, so we're all on the same page. Knowing this, they decided to come up with a solution. They requested a little bit of research be done so that they could find an agile methodology out of many that are available so that the communication lines could be opened and so that the company would be more aware of what's going on in IT. Tooth Systems created a list of requirements for any agile methodology that they would be implementing. They wanted something that was very accessible, or in other words, they wanted to make it so that all levels of management would be able to, at a glance, know what's going on. They wanted it easily learnable. They wanted it to be optimized for the team sizes that they had currently in the company and that might fit for future generations. They also wanted to be highly adaptable because, as you know, in software things are always changing. They also wanted to have very easy implementation because this is something they need to implement now since they have nothing in place. They need to get going as soon as possible. Our group did a lot of research on 4 of the most popular agile methodologies out there, namely Scrum, Lean, Extreme Programming, and Kanban. We found that Scrum required a lot of help from leadership in order to make it actually function. We found that Lean, while still being an agile methodology, didn't even have the predetermined team sizes that would let us properly determine how it best fit the company. Extreme Programming, while not being very complex, still had a high learning curve. We found from Kanban that it fit best everything we were looking for in the criteria set forth by Tooth Systems. Here's a drawing that shows just how easy it is to keep track of things through the Kanban system. You have 3 categories: to do, things that need to be accomplished; doing, what's currently being worked on; and done, things which have been already completed. Using this, it's easy at a glance for anybody of any management level to know what's going on and where things are headed. Let's take a brief look at the final results from our research. As we can see, Kanban had the highest score in every area. At most, Lean came in as a tie in 1 category, but fell utterly short in every other. The best fit for Tooth Systems is Kanban. You get something very easily accessible, easy to understand, has a very minimalist approach, fits the team sizes currently existing at Tooth Systems, and it's the easiest to implement. You get the bottom line that you're looking for, you have better morale amongst your employees, and of course, you get better products for your customers. So the question is, what now? Now, put things in place. It's a simple system to use. If you want to know all the details, contact Jack McBride. His email and phone number are here on the slide. We thank you for your time and hope that you have a wonderful day.